What's going on, guys? This is going to be the intro video to the OTG bot that I've been showing off in Discord and on Twitter lately. This is going to be the Discord exclusive launch. So if you guys would like access to this, just go to the OTG Trading Bot channel and then post your TradingView username in that channel, and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. But let's get started. So as you guys can tell, the bot will take over your candle colors and it will color your candles based on the trend, and it will also give you these buy and sell signals as well as take profit signals, a stop loss, and automatic support and resistance. So like I said, the bot is based on trending trades. So if it gets choppy, the bot is probably going to give you some small losses here and there with the buy and sell signals. But as you can see here on Bitcoin, when the trends are strong and they go for a long time, the bot will try to keep you in the trade as long as it possibly can. Okay. The take profit signals, these are not designed to be full close signals. These are designed to be suggestions for partial closes. So for example, if we were to get in this buy signal here on the daily and these take profit signals come in here, this is telling you that there's a little bit of resistance coming in. So if you want to take partial profit and this becomes a top, then you would have taken profit right before it topped out. Because this did not become a top, you can see that it went on to run for much longer. But typically, you will see these take profits come in right around topping formations. So obviously in hindsight, these take profits don't work and the bot continues to run. But if you look back on something like this, when it does take profit and then it does start to fail, you would be happy that you did take some partial profit on those signals. So if it comes in, it gives you a take profit signal, and maybe it's lining up with a lot of your other indicators and it looks like it's very toppy, you could probably take bigger profit there, but I would not recommend closing your entire trade until the bot actually tells you to with a sell signal. Okay, these take profits do come in for the buy signals and for the bear signals. The bot is currently designed to be traded both bullish and bearish. So if you do want to short the sell signals, you can do that. If I go back to when Bitcoin was actually selling off, you can see these sell signals do last for quite some time if there is a bearish trend. So it is designed to be traded both directions. But if you do want to trade just the buy signals in a bull market, then obviously that is fine. When you see things that are trending very heavily in one direction, like the Bitcoin daily, that's probably when you want to take these signals more in one direction, and then probably not take the sells as a short, take the sells as a get out for the buy signal, and then you just wait for the next buy signal. So currently, it also comes with the automatic support and resistance. This is the same formula that we use on the Auto SR. It's just tweaked a little bit. It's a little different settings, but the formula is pretty much the same. So if you guys like the Auto SR support and resistance, you will like the support and resistance that is on the trading bot. We also have, if you go into the settings, there is a take profit sensitivity here. It's defaulted to 2, which is pretty much the medium sensitivity. If you put it down to 1, you can see that it gives you a lot of take profits. And this is basically designed for, let's say we took a buy signal here on the daily, but we didn't actually want to hold this trade for a long time. Maybe we took the daily buy signal, but we got a little too high on our leverage, so we want to get out of this trade fairly soon. If you took a trade like that, that's when you would lower the sensitivity and you would take the faster take profits. Basically using the daily time frame to take maybe like a swing trade on like the 1 hour or a 4 hour. If you want to be in the trade for a lot longer and you don't want to have those take profit signals kind of get you out too early, then you want to raise it to 3. That is the max setting. Honestly, I think 3 is too late. So you can play with it, but I think really 2 and 1 are the only settings that you want to play with right now. 2 is default, and so far with my backtesting, it is the best. Now that's basically it for the bot. Let me go over some few things you want to do when you put the bot on your chart. So first thing you want to do here is go to the candle colors, and if you want to match your candle colors to the colors that the bot is giving you, go ahead and pause this video and match these numbers. So here is the bullish candles, and here is the bearish candles. The next thing you want to do is you want to turn off your border colors, and then you want to make your wicks you can really do whatever colors you want, but I found that even if you're on a white chart or a black chart, you can basically use one of the grays that are in the middle, and they look just fine on your chart. But if you want to have wicks based on your candle colors, you can, but I recommend making them the same color and probably making them like a neutral color. The next thing you want to do is you want to right click on the scale here. You want to scale price chart only. If you don't do this, you can't really see it on the daily, but it will make your chart do stuff like this where it makes it look very weird. So make sure you scale price chart only. Next thing you want to do is you want to right click on the indicator. You can basically do any of the lines, or you could right click one of the labels. Just make sure you're right clicking on the indicator itself. Go to visual order and then bring to front. If you don't do that, the signals will be behind the candles and it makes it hard to see like that. Okay, so make sure you right click, bring to front. Okay, next thing, the alerts. If you guys want to set alerts on the bot, you have to go to alert and then you have to change it to OTG Trading Bot, and then we have all these signals here. We have buy, long take profit, sell, short take profit, and then stop loss. Okay, if you want to be alerted when the bar closes, you have to select once per bar close. If you want to be alerted as soon as the signal fires, you select only once. Okay, if you want to be alerted when it signals, but sometimes it will flash on and off, and you only want to be alerted the first time it flashes, do once per bar. And that will make sure it only alerts you the first time it flashes. Okay? Finally, this is currently still in beta, so there are some bugs. The only bugs that I have found currently is for the sell, the stop loss does not currently work. Okay? So if you're looking to use the sell signal as a short, we do not have a short stop loss. The stop loss right now is only for longs. Okay, so if you do take the sell signal as a short signal, I recommend putting your stop loss above the most recent resistance, or just look for some pivots on the OTS or some kind of resistance to put your stop loss above. I'm going to have that fixed fairly soon, but for right now, that does not work for shorting. The next bug that I have found, let me see if I can find an example. Basically, when something is very new, if it gives you a buy signal, the stop loss will not show. So it has to have at least, I think, like 30 or 40 candles before the stop loss can be calculated. So if something is like IPOing or something is very new, like it's a brand new coin listing, it's not going to have a stop loss, okay? So you're going to have to watch out for those signals. But besides that, those are the only current bugs. If you guys find any other bugs, please be sure to put them in the OTG Trading Bot channel or DM me in Discord so I can take a look at them. But alright guys, that is it. It's a very simple trend bot. It gives you buy signals when the trend is turning bullish, gives you sell signals when the trend is turning bearish. You have take profits, you have a stop loss, you have automatic support and resistance. It basically has everything that you need to turn this into a fully automated trading system. If you guys can do some backtesting on stocks, do some backtesting on crypto, whatever you want to do, just let me know in Discord how you guys are liking the bot. All right, guys. See you later.